Hi parents, Mr. R here. I was just thinking about how I can make this process easier for you at home. So I thought I would put together a really quick video for you so that you're prepared for what tomorrow brings. I think we're all a little bit nervous, and that's okay. So we're gonna do this together. The first thing I want you to do tomorrow, whenever you're ready to start for school, is you're going to want to have your child log into their Google account. Maybe they're already in their Google account. That would be great. But if not, you can do that by clicking on the waffle and signing in to your account. So I'm already signed in. Once you're signed in to your Google account, um, you click the waffle and click on Classroom, and something like this should come up. Now, you probably have just as many classes as I do at this point, thanks to all the specials doing their own thing. But for me, you really just need to worry about this one right here, Ritenour 1920. Whenever you click on Ritenour 1920, it's going to take you to a screen like this. And this stream is kind of like a Facebook feed. Whatever I post or whatever your kids post, it'll show up on here, okay? Now, I haven't scheduled anything to appear until tomorrow morning at like 12 o'clock. Things will start popping up. But let me just show you what it will kind of look like. So tomorrow you will see, first of all, a website from Mrs. Russ, the guidance counselor. You're welcome to explore that if you have any mental health issues or needs. That's where you would go. Then you've got the weekly agendas. These are all of third grade's agendas. So my class is the same as Mrs. Nitch, Mrs. Jockle, and Mrs. Van Ward. Okay, this is just like a general plan, and you don't really need to worry about it too much because I'm covering everything that we need to in my daily videos. Okay, the only reason why you might want to look at this is if you wanted to do some of the optional activities. All right, so let me just show you what that looks like. So everyone in third grade can see this. This is what Mr. Piddington posted on the elementary website under third grade. Notice that under each section, like math for instance, there's an optional spot and then there's some digital resources. That's probably the only reason why you need to open this up, because everything else, all the mandatory work like this up here that says 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, I'm going to be covering that in my my weekly lessons. Okay, so you don't really have to worry about anything as far as curriculum goes, other than making sure they watch my videos and that you're keeping up with the special classes. All right, so let me exit out of that and we'll go back here to Google Classroom. So we're in Google Classroom under classwork, week 1. Every day I'm going to post an assignment. It'll be available first thing in the morning. And let's look at the very first day. So tomorrow is Monday, March 30th. You'd click on the assignment. So you'd click on it. Right now you can't because I have it scheduled for tomorrow morning. All right, and you click on it, and everything that you need is all in one spot in this Google form. All right, you're going to want to just click on it, and it'll open up a new page with the Google form. Now, I told you I'm trying to keep things so simple. The video for the day is on the Google form. You click play. And if you want to make it bigger, which you're going to want to, you have to click watch on YouTube, that YouTube button, and it'll open up a new web page. Okay, then you're on YouTube and watching the video. Now you fast forward all the way to the end, you watch the whole video, all right, you click the X, exit out, and you're back to your Google form. Make sure your child checks their name. So I'm going to pretend Patina, you're my example. Peyton Cogswell, she check her name, Then she'd choose which special she already has done or plans to do today. Maybe she wants to do two. Maybe she wants to do gym and art. And then there's a couple questions that are based off the lesson of that day from the video. All right, whenever you're all done answering those questions, then you can click submit. All right, and once you have submitted your quiz, your Google form, then two things happen. One, you're gonna be able to view your score and see how your child did. And then two, you're telling me that you did today's lesson, you get credit for that day. Okay? Now, if you notice all my assignments, I'm just gonna exit out here. All my assignments are due, if you look right here, they're all due Friday at 11:59 p.m. So let's just say you have a really busy Monday planned, you don't get to it, no big deal. You can do it on Tuesday or even later on in the week, as long as you get me your assignments done by Friday, April 3rd, by 11:59 p.m. So if you're absent, I know it seems weird to record an absence, but if you do need to do that, let's just say your family gets sick and you're not able to get like 2 or 3 lessons done that week, let me know so I can excuse that work. If you don't let me know, then I'm going to have to mark it as you were unexcused absence. So anyway, I hope that this video helps. That's literally all you have to do is just click on Monday's Google form and everything's right in there. And then you might want to go back to classes and check out like computer or library or any of the other specials and try to keep up with them as well. So let's do it together. If you have any questions, message me. I'm here to help and I'm happy to help. Okay? All right. We'll see you all. Oh, wait, sorry, one more thing before I go. On Wednesday nights at 7 o'clock, we're going to have a Google Meet every single week, okay? Until the shutdown's over. It's your child's chance to connect, video chat with the other kids in the class. All right, we did a practice one earlier, and I liked it, so we're going to keep doing that. And that's on Wednesday at 7 o'clock p.m. So, okay, I'm officially done talking. I wish you the best, and I hope that everything goes well for you tomorrow as we start this whole distance learning thing. All right, thank you.